don't know about you, but I have really had a lot of envy of this canvas lamp, right? I've been wanting to make tutorials and make good videos for people of the work that I'm doing as an artist by having my phone hanging over my workstation. But of course, I don't have three hands. How many of you have leaned your phone up against something and it's just going the wrong direction, and it's incredibly frustrating, right? To not be able to have your phone hang over the work that you're doing. So I've loved looking at this lamp. I've seen it online for what, a year or two, three now. But yeah, this price tag has not really been an option for me. Now that's the wooden based one, and they do have a metal based one that is less expensive. So I've been kind of watching these and not really seriously considering it just because of the price tag. There is another one that I've seen called by Paparazzo called the Olivia, and it hasn't seemed nearly as good, but they have come out with the Olivia 2, which seems to have addressed a lot of the problems the old one had, and it is quite a bit less expensive. It is typically $187. So they are both on a really big sale right now. So I decided I was going to really explore looking at these two. So the first thing I did, as usual, is I went to YouTube, of course, and I watched a bunch of people's unboxing and review videos. And I will say particularly this woman's video was really helpful because it was a year later. And so that really let me know, was it worth it a year later? Everybody's video, though, was really helpful just to see how they used it. Everybody had a review that was a little bit different, and they were all really helpful. I could tell that from the reviews and from what I could see looking at the websites themselves, that this really does seem to be a much better made lamp, the canvas lamp, than this Paparazzo Olivia 2. Even though, you can either pay for the really great one or you can get the less expensive one that's really good, but not as elegant. And I just wanted to summarize for you what it looked like I saw. What it looked like I saw on everybody's videos as a summary of a bunch of people's, what I viewed today, was that this is a much more elegant and graceful movement, up and down, side to side, the twisting of the head. Every movement was more graceful, and even a year later from that one woman's video, all of the joints held really well. That was a really key point for me. When I watched the videos of the Olivia 2, every movement seemed just kind of jerky. Not bad, not awful, but just kind of jerky. The kind that it just seemed like that thing where you'd just have a little hesitation every time. You'd be a little bit frustrated every time. Still, I think just a really good product. They solved the problems that it was having before. I think they improved it a lot. And really, beggars can't be choosers. I would be thrilled to have this product. I don't have any product now. Looks like it would do a really good job. And I think it would be a really great product. And it's on a really great sale. So, this is one of those situations where there isn't a bad choice. If you can afford this one, get this one and be happy, right? And if you can afford this one, get this one and be happy. If you can afford this one, get this one and be happy, right? So, my husband very sweetly offered to buy me this one for Christmas a little early, and it is on this 35% discount right now. So I don't know how long it's going to go till. I don't know if today is the last day for this, but it's this Canvas Friday 35 code. So it might be ending tonight, and it's, it's 10 o'clock or something right now. So maybe this isn't going to do you any good. But when it's on a really good sale, of course, who doesn't want to buy it when it's on sale, right? So what I am adding to this is the free shipping comes at $200. So when it's on its discount, it's like 170 something, I think. And so what I am adding here to this is, let me just show you here. I am adding the little remote thing so that I can, when my hands are covered in paint, I'm not going to be touching my phone to snap a photo or to tell it to start the video again. And I am also adding, let me show you the other thing I'm adding. It is this here, the magnetic phone mount, because this way I'll be able to attach my phone to the ring light just with the mag. I have an iPhone 14 Pro, so it has the MagSafe, so I'll just be able to attach my phone by slapping it onto the mag rather than having to scooch it into, the spread apart attachment. So I'll just take that off and put this on instead, and it's just one little hassle that I can remove. And I just want to remove every hurdle I can. Plus, adding these two things got it just to $200, so my bill is going to be $204, and it means I got free shipping. I'd rather spend the money on products that are going to make my user experience more friendly rather than spend the money on the shipping to get me the thing, right? I want to show you here. This is what my order is looking like. These are the original prices. Everything is discounted, so it, instead of what would have been $314, the whole total is $204, and so I'm really happy about that. So it's going to be here. I got it with the free shipping. I didn't add for the fast shipping. I don't need it fast. I need it cheap. So I'm going to get it in like 10 days or 2 weeks or something, and I'm perfectly happy with that. So, it's an embarrassment of riches to have this fabulous thing coming my way. And again, just to say, this does look like a really good product. The people who did the reviews of this product said that they were very happy with it. The one thing about this one is that it's really portable. You can plug it in and it charges it, and then this whole unit is portable. That is not true with the Canvas. The Canvas one is plugged in for the whole use of the unit. So in order to use it, it has to be plugged in. So that's a downside of the one that I'm getting. So, look for the qualities that are the most important to you and make sure that you're getting the one that's the most useful for you. All right, happy creating.